Proarc 1000 kilo welding positioner using a step down transformer to 110, which is the blue transformer. Has a pendant control with variable speed, forwards and reverse, foot control also is standard, variable speed and digital display. Have a power tilt, and then back again. There's a hole through the centre of the table for purging. Can be supplied with a chuck if required. More available from stock. The voltage for this is actually 220, but I say that we are using a step down transformer, so the client can plug it into 110. Thank you for looking.